Aloha everyone! I'm Gabby
And I'm Georgie,
and we are the mummies of Sisterhood Furniture
and content creators for Dixie Belle Paint. In this tutorial, we will be working on this little cutie,
and we know that we are going to paint it something like bluish, greenish
with a touch of orange. Deal?
Deal!
Deal!
Deal! Deal!
I started to sand this little one with an 80 grit sandpaper to remove the old chipped varnish. The next step is cleaning the piece with white lightening Dixie Belle furniture cleaner inside out. Once I was done with cleaning, I rinsed the whole piece twice, only with water, to remove any leftover solution or dirt.
We left the piece to dry for several hours and then we applied the base coat. We chose clay paint for the base because of the stunning color pistachio, and it's great that Terra clay paint is thicker than the chalk paint, so it will create a pretty texture by applying it in many directions. I used a chip brush to apply the paint. These brushes are also great for creating texture as they are harsh and thick. On the inside, I applied 3 coats of boss, which is a stain, odor and bleed-through broker. In our situation, we are using it to get rid of the weirdish smell on the inside. On the metal handles, we applied 2 coats of Slick Stick, which is an adhesion primer because we want to paint them. We left the piece to cure for about 24 hours and then we brought in more colors, starting with Mermaid Tail. I dumped the area I was working on, I dumped the brush as well, I picked up the paint, dumped it again, and I started to apply it, starting with the corner and dragging the paint to the middle, adding more water to dilute it even more, so the color underneath will be peeking through in some spots. I didn't start it necessarily with the corner in every situation, but in 80% I did. So the color will be more intense in the corners. I had to switch also to a scarlet brush because this space was too tiny. Then I carry on applying Mermaid Tail on the door. We will stick to Mermaid Tail for a while. I'm going to do the same process, only now you will have a better view of the whole situation. At some point I added more and more water if I felt like the paint is too thick or it started to dry and it doesn't want to move around. So if you are planning to recreate this style, make sure to have the water close to you at all times. Our next color is Limeade, this cutie, and I applied a really small amount with the same brush I applied the Mermaid Tail because we don't mind a bit of color variation. I used up and down, side motions until it blended aesthetically. Our last color is the stunning and bold peacock. I applied it mostly on the bottom using the same lots of water and just blending it into the other colors. I felt like this piece needed a darker shade of blue down here, so I added some antebellum blue and blended with peacock. It's just stunning. It's like an electric combination of colors. Guess what's going on now? Drips, of course. First, around the handles, I water the area, I apply the paint, I water the paint again, and then I tap with my fingers those harsh edges.
I seal the top with 3 layers of gator hide as it's a durable water repellent sealer, amazing for high traffic areas such as this top. On the rest of the piece, I applied 3 layers of flat clear coat, letting 2 hours drying time in between each layer.
And this is the final result! Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new today. Please let us know in the comments what do you think of this piece. See you next time! Bye!